Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can open more options. So let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and on the second position from the top, so on the second panel, we've got the options which are connected to the timer. Currently we've got it turned off. As you can see, this clock icon is highlighted in this grayish color, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do in order to set the timer, just tap on the option. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted in this yellowish color. So now we can go back and just tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10, from 3, from 5, whatever option you've chosen. And after that time, it will take a photo. So basically, this is how it works. Of course, you can turn it off in the same way. Just tap on this clock icon here. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually, that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.